Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, it's quite late right now. It's 9:35 and I'm tired, but I thought I would film a video. So, yeah, so I don't have many coins, I don't have many diamonds at all. No longer VIP. I just wasted like 45 diamonds on 3 greets, like 4 greets. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do like a random video today, or tonight. Yeah, so I've also got a new account on MSP called Jimmy. That's not my name, it's just something I came up with. And so yeah. Again, don't have much coins on this one either. This one is an account giveaway. And yes, I'm getting my belly pierced tomorrow, so yeah, I probably sound like really bad right now, but you know, I'm going to do these stuff now, so yeah. And oh my god, the lag right now, guys. The lag is unreal. I don't like it at all. The lag. Can it just like speed up, please? Well, if you can hear the like. There we go. I forgot about my pet. I forgot about my pets. I'm gonna wear all my pets. Oh my gosh. I completely forgot. I'm gonna like wear this one. Okay, pets. I think you're going to this. I did like ages ago put in a hotel. I think I was like diamonds or something. Cost like diamonds or something. For a hotel. So yeah. Guys, the lag is unreal. Okay. So I don't know what can open that. I don't even know what I'm doing on this. Okay, I need to go to my room to go feed them. Guys, I haven't been on MSP for so long. Feed one of your pets. I'm gonna feed all my pets, thank you very much. Oh my gosh, why is the bed over there? Okay. Here we go. I'm so sorry I haven't been here. I'm really sorry. I'm surprised they're not dead. Sugar. I didn't know those. I'm gonna give like... Yay! I get the money feeding my pets. I'm gonna make sure that it's not hungry in 10 hours. I feed it sushi and everything. Apples. Orange. Burgers. Yes, burger. Do you like burgers? Okay, it's not hungry. Oh wait, I need to give it a wash and stuff. I need to give on it. My garden's like a mess. I've got a plane in my garden. They're not hungry, but they do need a wash. So let's give this pet a wash. Guys, I completely forgot that I actually had pets. And I have so many, so yeah. That should be enough. It's clean. The lag is unreal today. Like, oh my god, well, today, tonight, whatever you want to say. Okay, and then what's the last one? Okay, that's it. So that's Royal GG. I don't really like that name, but okay. Pinky Piglet, I will feed you. By the way, if you can, again, if you can hear like Pretty Little Liars, much better. Oh, there you go. You can have that. You can have this. Ugh, I've got even less coins. I'm glad you're not hungry. Why do I have two of these? Oh, I know why I've got two of these ones. It's because of the fact that I did get hacked and they did send like a lot of diamonds and stuff. That's when I have like 1,600, yeah, unbelievable amount of diamonds. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the video right here. I know I didn't get to do much, but this is gonna be like a tiny post, so yeah. If you guys do want to send gifts and stuff, then I will do a mini mail time. But yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. MSP. I do trades, rare giveaways, and loads of other giveaways. So yeah, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.